Find an equation of the tangent line to the graph of f at the given point, where the function f of x is equal to the square root of x, and the point is given at 49, 7. So we're going to be using definition 1, which is the following. So this is the definition: m, which is equal to the limit as x approaches a of f of x minus f of a over x minus a, where we know that f of x is equal to the square root of x, and then we know the value of x is 49. So step 1, let's go ahead and do this. So we have m, which is equal to the limit as x approaches 49 of the function, and our function is the square root of x minus the square root of 49 over x minus 49. Okay, so now the next step is to then simplify this. So we have the limit as x approaches 49 of the square root of x minus 7 over x minus 49. Okay, so now the goal is that we want to be able to then simplify this, because still if we apply the limit of 49 minus 49, it's going to give us an undefined result. So therefore we want to rationalize the numerator by multiplying by its conjugate. So if we multiply by its conjugate, the conjugate is the square root of x plus 7. So we're going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by its conjugate. Okay, so when we multiply the numerator, that's going to be the difference of squares. So we have the limit as x approaches 49. Well, the square root of x times the square root of x is going to give us x. And then minus, we have 7 times 7, which is 49. And then in the denominator, we still have x minus 49 times the square root of x plus 7. So we can see that we can simplify the x minus 49. And so therefore we get m, which is equal to the limit as x approaches 49 of 1 over the square root of x plus 7. Okay, so now we're going to be able to apply the limit. So it's going to be 1 over the square root of 49 plus 7, which is equal to 1 over 7 plus 7, which is equal to 1 over 14. So now we determine what the slope is. So we know what the slope is. The slope is given to be m, which is equal to 1 over 14. Okay, so now we want to be able to find that tangent line. So to find the tangent line, we want to use our point slope form. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, where we know that the slope we just found to be 1 over 14, and the point is 49, 7. So this represents x1 and this is y1. So we have y minus 7, which is equal to 1 over 14 times x minus 49. And let me put there, that should be 49 there. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and then distribute the 1 over 14. So we have y minus 7, which is equal to 1 over 14x minus 49 over 14. And so if we reduce that, we get y minus 7, which is equal to 1 over 14 x minus 7 over 2. And then we need to add 7 to both sides. So we get 1 over 14x, 1 over 14 x minus 7 over 2, and that's plus 7. Okay, so if we look at this fraction, we get negative 7 over 2 plus, that's 14 over 2, which then gives us positive 7 over 2. So y equals 1 over 14x plus 7 over 2.